Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to do this shit. What a horrible intro. But no, really, I'm gonna show you how to do this like green eyeliner and orange eyeshadow. And I already did this eye, and then it just like popped in my head that I should make a video. So I kind of already started. But I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette, and then I'm using Peachy, which is the third orange in there, and then I'm just like putting it. Alright, can you even see me? I'm putting it like on my crease. And then I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use Realgar or whatever it's called, this orange down here. So yeah, taking Realgar, that orange, and then I'm putting it also right here. Actually, I put that on my whole eyelid, I forgot. So yeah, take Realgar and put that on your whole eyelid. Now that the orange is on, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Dirty Money liquid lipstick. And I love this color. It's like a dusty green, if that makes sense. Like $100 bills. So yeah, and then I'm using this. It's like an angle brush. Ordered off Amazon. Like everything else that I have. Alright, so my nose itched. So I'm going to just dab some of this from off of the lipstick applicator. I'm going to try to make it look like my other eye. Okay. Okay, that went a little better than I thought it was going to, honestly. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little, like tiny bit more, and I'm going to dab it on my waterline. Alright. Ah! Sorry. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, and then I'm going to use this. It's gold. It's just gold glitter. It says glamour glitter on it. I ordered it off Amazon, like everything else that I have. And yeah, I just typed in like eyeshadow loose glitter. And I'm gonna use eyelash glue. Actually, this is House of Lashes lash glue, and I'm going to like dab it. Oops, you couldn't see. Oops, geez, I'm a mess. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna dab it like right in the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so I have that right there. And then, okay, I was watching one of my last videos, and I said, and then a lot, and I'm noticing that I'm saying it a lot in this video too, so I suck. But okay, so this is the gold glitter, and I'm using a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna get it on the Q-tip. I need a piece of paper, and I don't have one. I have a pack of backwoods, so I'm gonna use this. Use what you got. But I'm gonna put it right here, so this glitter doesn't get all over my face. And I'm just going to take this glitter and dab it right there where I put the eyelash glue. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Alright, and then the eyelashes that I'm using, damn, to be honest with you guys, I don't remember which ones these are. I know they're like the Artisan Fake Mink off Amazon. Type in Fake Mink on Amazon and the Artisan brand. I don't know exactly which ones they are. And then I'm using Duo Lash Glue. I usually don't use this. I'm giving it another shot tonight for some crazy reason. I'm feeling spontaneous. So yeah, oopsie. So I'm just putting this glue on my eyelashes. Fuck, I can't get it out. And then I'm just going to use my finger and run it across because I don't want too much glue because I don't like white, clear eyelash glue. And then I'm going to put this eyelash on. Okay, and then now that my eyelashes are on, I'm going to conceal my eyebrow. I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and a small little, I don't know, brush, small little brush. And I'm just gonna get a little concealer on my brush and just put some right there. And then I'm just going to take my finger and blend that. And yeah, so that went better than I thought it would. That was pretty easy and I really like it. So I hope you guys do too. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.